everyone, greetings of the day. Welcome to the news channel of RS. This is Pavneet Kaur and we are back with the monthly updates of October 2025. Let's have a look.
RS Eco Club leads students towards a greener future. RS cultural team steals spotlight at the Saras festival held at PAU. Students learn road safety in an interactive traffic seminar held at RS. RS students conquer Dhanak 2025 held at City University. A matter of national pride as RS shines at Paryavaran competition held at global level. Saluting a visionary, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was commemorated by paying homage to him. RS quizzes Ace Technofest held at BCM Chandigarh Road by bagging second prize. Voices of Victory, RS wins National Hindi Group Song Contest organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad. RS students excel at Ignite 2025 and inter-school competition held at Guru Nanak Institute of Management and Technology, Ludhiana. Observing Rishi Nirvan Divas, RS pays homage to Rishi Dayanand Ji. RS Stars light up Matrix 2025 Cultural Fiesta. Diwali dazzles as RS celebrates festival through culture. RS baseball star shines at state level. RS students excel in Bharat Ko Jano quiz. RS students shine at the GNE's Apex 2025. Creative RS Aryans crowned with overall trophy at Pratibha 2K25. Now news in detail. RS Model Senior Secondary School organized a series of activities under the Swami Dayanand Eco Club to promote environmental consciousness among students. Under the supervision of Mrs. Meenakshi Seth, a seminar cum workshop on waste management was held on October 4. Parents and students learned scientific methods to reduce single-use plastic and convert waste into useful vermicompost, inspiring everyone to adopt cleaner and greener practices. Continuing this initiative in order to sensitize students towards the protection of animals, the school celebrated World Animal Day on October 6th. Engaging performances such as short play by students of class 3rd to 5th and a poem recitation competition by the pre-primary section on the same theme made the event lively and educational. The headmistress ma'am appreciated the sincere efforts of the Eco Club teachers and students for spreading awareness about environmental conservation and encouraged all to contribute actively towards a sustainable future. Adding color and energy to the Saras Mela at PAU campus, the school's Bhangra team gave a spirited performance to welcome the chief guest. The students also presented a lively cultural program showcasing students' vibrant traditions. Their presentations received huge appreciation for its rhythm, grace, and cultural depth. A special seminar on traffic rules and road safety was conducted to educate students about the importance of safe and responsible road behavior. The resource person used visuals and real-life examples to explain traffic rules and pedestrian safety, inspiring students to be alert and disciplined road users. Displaying exceptional talent and creativity, RS Aryans excelled at Dhanak 2025, an inter-school event held at CT University. Students bagged top prizes in singing, quiz, extempore, declamation, painting, rangoli, clay modeling, cartooning, and project display. The Punjabi folk dance Luddi added a cultural sparkle, securing third place. The winners were praised for their confidence, teamwork, and spirited participation. Making the nation proud, students of RS Model Senior Secondary School secured the 7th rank internationally and 1st position in Punjab in the National Students Paryavaran Competition 2025. The global online quiz saw participation from 118 countries. A total of 47 students from the school achieved perfect scores, winning top positions across all three categories. Their success reflects dedication, knowledge, and a strong commitment to environmental awareness. RS Model Senior Secondary School observed the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on October 15, 2025, with great respect and enthusiasm. The program began with an inspiring speech by Tanisha Sharma of Class Plus 2D, followed with a heartfelt poem recited by Sneha of the same class. To honor Dr. Kalam's love for science, an interclass science quiz was organized by the Science Department. In Category 1, Team Kepler won first place, while in Category 2, Team Kepler again secured the top position. Headmistress Mrs. Shubhlata congratulated the winners and encouraged all students to follow Dr. Kalam's vision of curiosity and innovation. With quick thinking and teamwork, Sambhav of Class Plus 2E and Moksh of Plus 2D won the second prize in the inter-school quiz competition held at BCM School Ludhiana during Technofest 2025. Competing against top schools, they showcased excellent knowledge and presence of mind, thereby honoring the legacy of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In a melodious display of teamwork and harmony, our students bagged the first prize in the National Hindi Group Song Competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad at Viklang Kendra, Ludhiana. Their soulful performance impressed both judges and audience, highlighting musical excellence and team spirit. On October 16, 2025, students of RS Model Senior Secondary School made the school proud by winning top prizes at Ignite 2025, an inter-school competition organized by Guru Nanak Institute of Management and Technology, Ludhiana. Kirandeep Kaur and Mandeep Kaur of Class Plus 1 won the first prize in gift wrapping. Maya and Vandana of Class Plus 1 received the consolation prize in Rangoli making, while Chavi and Tanya of Class 9 secured the third prize in Best Out of Waste. The achievements of the students brought great pride and joy to the school. On October 17, RS Model Senior Secondary School observed Rishi Nirvan Divas with deep respect and devotion. The day began with a Havan ceremony invoking blessings for peace and knowledge, followed by a lamp lighting ritual to symbolize enlightenment. Students offered floral tributes to Rishi Dayanand Ji, honoring his teachings. Vanisha of Class 9th B delivered an inspiring speech on the Rishiji's philosophy, leaving everyone impressed. The school music team then presented a soulful bhajan, filling the campus with spiritual harmony. Headmistress Ma'am encouraged the students to embrace the Rishiji's values of moral strength, humility and devotion along with academic excellence. At Matrix 2025 hosted by GGNIMT Ludhiana, our students impressed everyone with their creativity and artistry. Jashanpreet won first prize in cartooning, Puneet second in poster making, Muskan third in fabric painting and Ritanshi third in jewel making. The team of Krishna, Khushpreet and Kirandeep secured third in Funk with Junk. Their remarkable performance reflected innovation, imagination and hard work. On October 18, the festival of Diwali was celebrated with great enthusiasm in the courtyard of RS Model Senior Secondary School. On this occasion, Tanvi Sharma, a student of Class 8B, expressed her thoughts on the life ideals of Lord Rama through her speech. Ramandeep Kaur, a student of Class Plus 1, beautifully presented a poem depicting the great ideals of Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. The little children portrayed the character of Lord Shri Rama through their impressive performances. At the end of the program, the school headmistress Mrs. Shubhlata encouraged the students to draw inspiration from the life of Lord Shri Rama and to adopt his ideals in their lives too. In the field of sports too, RS Model Senior Secondary School continues its winning streak. Arnish Thakur of class plus 2E brought laurels to the school by winning a bronze medal in the 69th School State Baseball Tournament under 19 held at District Sangrur. His commendable performance reflected dedication, skill, and sportsmanship. The headmistress appreciated his achievement and wished him success in future endeavors. RS students brought laurels to the school by winning prizes in the Bharat Ko Jano quiz organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad. In the junior group, Angel and Tanvi Sharma secured third prize, while in the senior group, Angel Sharma and Jasprit Kaur won third prize. The headmistress congratulated the achievers and their mentors. A team of 4 students from RS Model Senior Secondary School won the second prize in the model making competition at GNE's Apex 2025 in Ludhiana. The team, Bhavya Ghai, Ankush Shaw, Manish and Daksh Setia, impressed the judges with their creative and innovative working models. They were guided by their mentors, Mr. Navneet Thakur and Mr. Navneet Bhagat, who helped them improve this project. The headmistress, Mrs. Shubhlata, congratulated the students and their mentors for this proud achievement, which highlights the school's focus on creativity and scientific learning. RS students showcased outstanding talent at Pratibha 2K25, organized by Khalsa Institute of Management and Technology for Women. They won several top prizes in PowerPoint presentation, face painting and flower painting, second in collage making, and third in digital poster making, mehendi, rangoli, and duet dance. Besides, our school bagged the overall trophy too. The headmistress congratulated the winners for their remarkable achievements.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.